Hi, good afternoon. My name is Scott Pieper. I'm the CEO of Mobilization Funding. Today I want to talk to you about what an MCA is, or a merchant cash advance. Some people may know them as daily debit loans or weekly debit loans. Essentially what a merchant cash advance is it's not a loan. It's actually the purchase of receivables that you have for which you have not yet invoiced them. So they're future receivables. Essentially a merchant cash advance company is going to assess how much money you make or is deposited in your account on a weekly, monthly basis, and then they're going to determine that is the amount of revenue you may have in that month. And then what they're going to do is they're going to advance you a amount or a percentage of what they think your future receivables will be in the coming months. They're going to add a factor rate to them, not a loan, not an interest rate, but a factor rate. So for easy math, if they give you $100,000 and they'll determine your factor rate is somewhere between as low as 12 or 15 or as much as 50, your loan is going to end up having to be paid back at 100 times 12 or times 0.12, which is 112,000, or if it's 50% factor rate, 150%, it could be as much as $150,000 payback. And then, whether it's going to be over 6 months or 8 months or 12, they're going to see how many business days are in that time period, divide the total payback by those business days, and then daily debit your account each week. And so that is how it'll be paid back. So even if you borrow the money on a monthly basis and you think it's a term loan, it's going to be paid back daily or weekly. Now, how does that work? Well, it may work great if you're in the restaurant business or you're in a retail business and you have individual customers coming in every day and they're swiping credit cards and you're getting cash or you're taking money in through a register. You probably can afford to pay a daily payment back because you earn your monthly revenue on a daily basis. However, if you don't earn your money that way, for example, if you're in construction or other companies like construction where you do a lot of work up front, you put an invoice in after several weeks or at the end of a month, and then you wait 30 days or more to get paid. A merchant cash advance giving you money up front when you need it, but yet taking daily or weekly payments along the way, that's not going to work for you. It's actually going to take all your cash that's in your business and it's going to suck the cash out of the business. So even though you feel good for that day or two when you actually get the deposit to solve whatever problem it is that you reached out to in the first place, you're now just kicking that problem down the road for the next week or month. When it shows up, it's going to actually be a bigger problem. It's going to be the original problem you had plus the factor rate. And all the cash that you did have in the business has now been sucked out to make these daily payments. So I hope this helps you all. I hope this is a good reference to not only what an MCA is, but the fact that it's not a loan, how the repayment structure works, and most importantly, make sure you marry that repayment structure up in a loan product or a merchant cash advance with the way you earn your revenue. Have a great day, everyone.